So this right here is a 5-inch stick bait, and they do come in different sizes. I think 3, 4, 5, 6, 7-inch stick baits, maybe even bigger. But this is one of the probably the most common one. And this is pretty much how I use it to go fishing and how to string it up. So if you've never used one of these baits and wanted to know how, here you go. So I usually use a 1, 2, or a 3/0 hook, and if you see this 1/0, that's what these hooks are called. They're a little thicker and a little bigger. If you see a size 1, 2, or 3, those are usually a lot thinner and smaller hooks. But this is really for demonstration. I usually use a 2 or a 3 most of the time because it's a little thicker and bigger. And usually when I use this stick bait, it catches bigger bass. That's primarily what I target. But the simplest way, just tie this hook to your string with no weight. And what I usually do is I find that little groove right there, and I just stick the hook right in there and pull it straight through, and pretty much just have it hook on there like that. And when I cast out, I just cast it out, let it sink for a minute, and then just slowly reel it back. Take a couple reels and maybe bump it a couple times, but really work it back slowly, reeling it in, and it sort of suspends, and I guess it sort of wiggles like that, makes a little vibration in the water. And make a long story short, that's how I use a 5-inch stick bait.